buy low, sell high, buying the green blocks, selling the red blocks. So this is kind of where I'm not as enthusiastic yet. Points more toward potentially Bitcoin leading and the alts waiting a bit. But looking down through this, yeah, it's a bit of a wash. Sol dominance was pushing up yesterday, which was encouraging, and now it's back down. USDT dominance is going up a bit. So money, some profit taking happening. That also to be expected. Sol down a bit, was looking nice yesterday, but we, 5 days up in a row, not unexpected to see this kind of sell off a bit. It's back above the 21-day EMA. Again, though, guys, look at this buy zone. I'm happy. I'll happily buy Sol anywhere in this $110 to $125 range. I know some of you have as well, and hopefully you're happy. We do have this sort of downtrending channel, but actually we're starting to kind of break above it and retest. And that's always the best sign. And we break above that channel and then retest. Let me redraw it just to make sure that I'm not missing it. And yeah, so we're starting to see the breakout of Sol and a retest on that downtrending channel and putting in higher lows. That's a great clue for us. And so, you'll see me do a lot of the same things over and over again. But my goal with doing that, again, repetition is the mother of all learning, so that you too will be drawing these in your sleep. And, that is one of the core things, is being able to evaluate a chart quickly without emotion and saying, and just drawing these things. How many of you are doing that? So DCA buy zone remains in that 115. I'll call an audible here. Set your alerts, set your buy limit orders. If we do get another dip down to the 125, 130 area, maybe the last time we're down here for quite some time. And, there's still that potential sell pressure from all of the buyers from the FTX bankruptcy, but, they likely have been selling, and that's been Sol has been the leader of this downturn. So they're kind of washing themselves out. I think the buyers are kind of coming in and buying that up. So Solana tags upper Bollinger Band for first time since all-time high. Not a whole lot here. Fidelity enters the Solana ETF race. That's interesting. BlackRock launches its Bitcoin ETP. I'm more interested in this here. Fidelity entering the Solana ETF race. Here's why that's significant. I was flying back last night, and I had my Bitcoin hat on and was reading the Bitcoin book. And the lead flight attendant in first class walked by, and she kneeled down and said, "I've been dying to ask you." I knew it was coming. She started asking me about Bitcoin and crypto. And next thing I know, she has her phone out with her Fidelity holdings, showing me what she has and asking me what she should do. Obviously not something I'm going to do on short notice and tell her what to buy, but she had some Coinbase. It was her Fidelity account. She had some crypto coins. Did not have any crypto, though. So the Fidelity group, cohort, that is not yet in crypto is going to be huge. So Fidelity having a Solana ETF is going to be a huge on-ramp for these normies to start buying into these things. And she had a big chunk of GBTC, not huge, $6,000-$7,000, but that was comparatively one of her bigger holdings. So she had some exposure to Bitcoin, didn't sell it, I guess, but those are those safer on-ramps that, and again, it was in her Fidelity account. So if you start doing the math in the adoption curve, and it reminds us of how early we are, a Solana ETF on Fidelity would be great. I know it sounds, and I'm trying to really be unbiased here. Solana is one of my bigger holdings in full disclosure, and I could be wrong on that. So, I'm trying not to have too much confirmation bias here, but just in general, Fidelity having ETFs all the way around, a good thing. Of course, they're one of the biggest Bitcoin ETFs. And we should go back. I'll pull up Apollo and we'll look at the inflows, outflows to see where we are with that. So let's see. Over 16 years, Bitcoin's 1.7 trillion market cap reached a respectable 1.3% of the estimated 128 trillion global money supply. Michael Saylor recently suggesting, though, that even as just a currency and a competition with gold, Bitcoin should be worth 20 trillion. So that would be 10x from here. And that not including the network value, not including the store of value, etc.